What's up guys, Dan with Adventure Hobby Fashion, back today doing another video. As you've seen from the last video, reaction video and stuff, I have my new four-wheeler. And then we have my buddy Braxton with his four-wheeler. So we're going to be going riding. This is my first time ever riding on a trail with a four-wheeler. This is going to be my learning experience. We're just going to drive it, see how it goes. We're going to take it somewhat slow and it'll be fun. Alright, so this is the first time learning clutch, so I am putting to test Street Speed 717's video of learning how to drive clutch, and his biggest tip is just going and getting a vehicle, four-wheeler in my case, to learn how to drive clutch and just going out and doing it. It's very, very basic, very simple. I know the theory behind it, and I've driven manual vehicles. Not a whole ton, but I have driven manual vehicles, so I was like, well, let's see what it is. Let's see how I can do on just driving a clutch all the time. Oh, I got a message. Don't worry. Maybe a Street Speed contacted me about talking to him about his video. But yeah, let's put his thing to test, see how well it works. Pretty sure he's probably pretty right. He's a pretty smart guy. A little bit of an update. My quad won't start. It acts like it's a dead battery. Tried jumping it, it still doesn't want to do it. So we're trying to bump it. Alright, after a million times of trying, we finally got it to go. So now I'm gonna get the helmet on and go. It was just a bad battery connection. That's cool.
You good? How you doing?
Doing good.
You're going close down.
That's as high as it goes.
Dude, I just love those little funny.
Yeah, I kept standing up. I was like, this will be smoother if I stand up. Stand up. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, yeah.
You gotta see the viewer down. Are you good?
Yeah, and that hill that you had to turn around for,
Yeah.
I got it into neutral. I would go shift. I just figured I'd stand up for a second. Yeah, a bunch of beaver dams. Yeah, definitely not the greatest about knowing what gear I need to be in.
Yeah, that's real rad.
But most of this way I've been either in first or second. Been getting more into the second to stay up with you.
Yeah, I've been the bottom of third.
Yeah, I'm mid-range of second.
Yeah.
Alright, so I showed you the few tiny clips that turned out for riding on this quad. I had it on the chest rig. It didn't work. I have a couple other ideas to make that work, but I want to get the one that attaches the GoPro helmet to make it so I can film better for you guys. I need to get freaking gloves so my hands don't go black. Heck, they're still a little black from riding, and I rode this morning, early this morning. I think I did fairly good. I did stall it in like 5 times. I'm not used to riding with boots. I'm not used to changing gears with boots. Heck, I'm not used to four-wheelers. So I kept putting it in neutral on like hills or stuff, and I was like, what the heck's not going? So it was interesting, but overall, I think I did really, really good on riding. Kept up for the most part with Braxton. He was the leader. I was trying to follow him. The bike did fantastic. One of the things I would drive up and I'd see like a big rock or a big rut, and I'd slow really slow, and then I wouldn't even feel it. The suspension would just take it. Not used to four-wheelers. Heck, I'm used to like the mini bikes. They don't have suspension, so it's like, okay, I have to go slow on those things. So it's really definitely different riding this thing. It's super, super fun, and I just want to go out every day, all day. But yes, I'm gonna get some more actual riding footage of me for this first, like, learning how to ride this quad that turns out good for you guys. So we'll go to the next time we go riding. sorry again for those crappy clips, but I pretty much only got the highlight reels of like driving through creeks. I didn't even get all the creeks, some of the mud. It would have been awesome to get one of the mud shots actually good, because my buddy almost got stuck and then he had to really send it. He was freaking running through, going on second gear, going hard, and then it wasn't moving very much, so he slammed it into third and just let her eat, and then it got him out of the muddy river crossing kind of thing on the trail. It was super, super awesome, super fun. I cannot wait to go on more trail rides. I'm actually saving this next trail ride that I was gonna save in this video, but I gave you a little highlight reel, well, a little sneak peek, for a whole nother video, because I filmed an intro and outro and everything for that. All right, at the beginning of the video, I pretty much challenged to see if Street Speed 717's method is correct and his best tip is correct. I don't really want to answer it in this video because it's the first video of riding. Obviously, this video is coming out after I've been riding for a while, so maybe a little sneak peek of, but we'll show you in future videos a lot more of my opinion of his best tip. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passions.